Today is exactly 3 weeks since the Guadalupe River flooded, killing more than 100 people, 37 of them children.
To help out with recovery, Kerr County is hosting another informational meeting for residents in just a few hours.
KENS 5's Rania Kaur joins us live now. Rania, what do we expect to come out of this meeting?
So this informational meeting, Barry and Sarah, is just another resource for residents who are dealing with the impacts of the flood aftermath. That's saying several different organizations are going to be there, including Lift Fund, which helps small businesses with loans, the Kerr Economic Development Corporation, or the Kerr EDC, that is another resource for small businesses. In addition, FEMA and area chambers of commerces will also be at the meeting. The meeting begins at 9 a.m. and will be at the Kerr County Courthouse. Because there is limited seating, the recovery workshop will be live streamed on the official Kerr County YouTube page. We'll have a link on our website, KENS5.com. Reporting live this morning, I'm Rania Kaur, KENS 5.